To easily use list and label cross-platform, we provide a corresponding NuGet package for .NET. It can be installed directly and easily in Visual Studio. Simply search for combit.list and label 31.crossplatform in the package manager, and you can easily install the package. Alternatively, a download via nuget.org or the command line is also possible. To further facilitate the transition from List and Label Classic to cross-platform, we provide a tool at the following path to convert existing List and Label project files into the new JSON format. To do this, open the tool, select the desired project file, and specify the output folder. The export can then be further configured using various parameters. Further information about List and Label cross-platform and the new version 31 can be found via the displayed links or in the video description.